Joshua Sostak Search Fund. Two former Colonie EMS workers who successfully sued the town did not get what they wanted from the state Supreme Court. They just found out this weekend. Their civil lawsuits cost the town almost $250,000 in January. But the individual town attorneys involved paid nothing in terms of official punishment. So the two workers filed a complaint with the 3rd Judicial Department. That was 8.5 months ago.
Basically, they've closed the case. They found nothing wrong.
Bill Gardner won $21,000 after town attorneys used stationery from the district attorney's office in 2003 to create their own subpoenas and tell Time Warner Cable it must identify the source of anonymous criticisms emailed to the town.
Sometimes you make mistakes.
The town attorney chalked it up to human error, but Gardner and Hugh Skirker, who settled his case against the town, believe it was criminal and at least professional misconduct. In April, when they filed complaints with the Committee on Professional Standards in the Appellate Division, they included several depositions, including one from a town attorney who said she asked a Colonie police officer to alter a subpoena form from the district attorney's office to replace the DA's name with the town's name and add a line saying failure to comply is contempt of court. On Saturday, Gardner and Skirker each received a letter from the Committee on Professional Standards saying there is an insufficient basis for a finding of professional misconduct.
What's amazing is that the whole process is cloaked in secrecy. It's a secret club. It should be an open process. The facts should be open to the public. We put a very high pinnacle of trust on lawyers in our society to do the right thing.
We have not given up on them, and we have not given up on their case.
In April, District Attorney David Soares met with Skirker and Gardner and said he told them their case was making progress.
Nothing's been done. I've written him emails, no answer. I've spoken to his investigators who, pretty much no comment. And that's where it is. And we gave the district attorney all the documentation.
Skirker and Gardner wonder if committee members Philip Caponera and Peter Platt recused themselves, since Caponera's sister-in-law and brother were town employees at the time, and Peter Platt was the chairman of the planning department. Tonight, Caponera told me the answer to that question and even the process of how the committee determines misconduct is, by state law, confidential. A few days after Christmas,